you work directly with customers, sounds like. But how else do you go to market? I know you have a pretty big partner channel. Can we talk a little bit about that?
Yeah, we're kind of at the center. We're not owned by any large CAD software company like Siemens Autodesk or Dassault. So we're independent. We are venture backed, but we get to play with everybody. And so we work directly with ISVs. We work directly with enterprise manufacturers as well. So we have a direct sales team, but everybody needs data access and graphics in this world. And so we also partner with Autodesk, Dassault, and Siemens and resell their software, and then they resell some of our software. So for like Autodesk, we're the one channel where you can get AutoCAD OEM. You actually have to come to TechSoft. So it's a real baked version of AutoCAD that you can configure to your own needs, as well as their CAD packaged Inventor OEM. So we're the only place you can't get that from Autodesk. You have to come to TechSoft, where we are the sales channel for that. We resell Parasolid from Siemens, so that's the number one solid modeling kernel. So if you want to build the next SolidWorks, you would use that kernel as your math engine. We resell Polygonica from MachineWorks. They have a mesh modeler for 3D printing. And then all these guys, they resell our stuff as well. So Dassault resells our graphics tools. Siemens resells our graphics tools and resells our data exchange tools. So it's a web, but we're kind of at the center of it, which is a really exciting place to be, especially as we try to move the industry forward with new technology.